Francisco.
We're gonna go to San Francisco! Oh my god, I'm so excited.
And we're gonna take you guys on the way. See you guys in San Francisco.
Each week during our summer series, we will be going to a new location where we will do an activity with the goal in mind. This week, we are traveling to San Francisco on the train to visit some family. We started off at Union Station in Los Angeles, California. Honestly, guys, this place was so beautiful. I was not expecting it to be this nice. Nothing against LA. I just didn't think that the train station was gonna be this beautiful. I swear, from the outside in, it was just amazing. We did have a little bit of problems finding our train because our train wasn't like on the bulletin board, I guess. I don't know what it's called, but it wasn't there. So we asked around and everybody was actually really helpful. And we were able to find out exactly where we needed to go, even like down to the class and everything. They have it so organized. It was actually a really good experience traveling from here. That's tight. They're clean. I want those in my house. But I want that in my house. That's gonna be the toe sucking station.
Hey, yo.
Your destination right above your seat.
Wherever you want.
Actually, I am gonna be editing for a little bit on the train. And for a little bit, I mean, cut the camera.
No.
Hey, so I like need a map of this train because I'm trying to go. Ooh. We're moving, guys. We're moving.
Shit's crazy.
Oh, it's not like a phone. I was gonna pick it to like. Not us going backwards. Man, I was not expecting to go backwards.
Now arriving Glendale Station.
Oh, we're at our first stop. We're at Glendale.
Morning, good morning, welcome aboard.
I'm trying to.
Airliner 761, we're headed north to San Luis Obispo. Business class, report the front of the train, coach in the middle. Lower level, please remember when you impaired. The 4-seaters are reserved for groups of 3 or more. 4-seaters for groups of 3 or more. Welcome aboard.
Yeah, but we're going backwards, and I was not expecting that. So I'm gonna get a little nauseous. How you feeling? Because you haven't eaten. Yeah, I haven't ate either. I'm surviving off of an ibuprofen and a Red Bull right now.
I'm tired, guys.
I am too, a little bit. I might have to take a nap. Probably not though. I'm probably gonna sleep on the bus.
Oh, yeah, the bus, yeah.
Okay, so this is what we got: orange juice, hot chocolate, breakfast sandwich, Jimmy Dean, of course. I'm gonna get my mimosa later. Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna just eat right now. It's kind of hot. I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit.
Have a great day.
We're at the dining cart. Let me show you around.
Oh, I kind of got a little bit. I was moving a lot.
Oh, we're starting to move again.
Oh,
So,
go ahead. Oh, sorry.
go ahead.
Guys, we found out that we could change our seats to moving forward instead of backwards.
Yeah, but I think we'll just stay.
This shit was funny though.
The food here is actually like decently priced. I'm not gonna lie.
I thought it was gonna be like crazy overpriced. Cause honestly, $5 for this.
How much was it?
It's not that bad. I'm not gonna lie. I paid $8 for these two, which is like I feel like that's it's bad, but it's not as bad as like other places. Does that make sense?
You get a coffee and a sandwich from McDonald's for $5. That's true. Nah, I thought it would be way. This easily could have been like $15.
Honestly, and the hot chocolate was only $2. That's really good. In this economy.
I wanted a wrap, but the wrap's vegetarian. I'm not veg. I don't know.
I've seen that.
And then they have the turkey and cheese, but it's on old bread. I was like, ah.
They have an Italian wrap.
I don't really like it like that.
I know. I'm just kidding.
Sorry. I was just playing. And I want to eat something, but it just wasn't catching my eye.
So for the business class where we seen, that's where we could get snacks. We should get some to take on the bus.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just ask just in case. But remember how we went down and she's like, oh, you're looking for the cafe?
Yeah.
I think that's where we grab it. Yeah. So we'll get some from there. Let me show y'all the view.
The 4 minute. The 4 minute stop.
We're headed to San Francisco because we hear that gay people live there, so we're on our way to check it out.
We gang man, cause you know you gang and stuff.
We are part of that community, as you could tell. I don't know if you guys knew that.
Yeah. We're coming out, guys.
Wait, what?
Be who you are. For your pride.
I actually hated that. We're about what, like about halfway into our ride now?
Yeah.
How you feeling so far?
I feel good.
Yeah?
Yeah. I haven't slept. Jenna took a little nap.
I took a nap for I don't even know how long, to be honest.
Not that long at all. I think like 20 minutes max.
I thought it was like an hour or two, I'm not gonna lie.
No.
We're near the beach right now. It looks really nice. The last stop we had was Ventura. I gave myself anxiety. Yeah. Kind of nauseous.
Jenna had a dream that I was waking her up.
Like panicking, yeah.
Now she has anxiety. Because she was on the train in that dream.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool. And now I am going to try to enjoy myself. No, and enjoy the sights and stuff. Hopefully my anxiety goes away.
This one guy pissed me off right now at this time.
Knocked over my camera, but it's okay. It's not his fault. I shouldn't be, you know.
No, he was rude.
Yeah, and
He was staring at us weird.
oh, he was?
Kind of.
A lot of people are.
And it's like, dude, like, we got here first, you fucking dumbass.
Alright guys, so we are here.
We're finally in San Francisco. It is cold.
It's really cold. Right now we are in the Salesforce Transit Center, waiting for our ride for our family to pick us up.
I'm excited to eat.
I know, I want to eat so bad. I'm hoping they have a good place because they
Yeah.
know around here more than us because they're from out here.
But we made it.
Yeah,
Stay tuned.
I know.
I'm excited.
I'm
guys.
so
I
excited.
didn't realize it would be so cold. I would have packed better like fits.
I know. I just realized all my fits are like for like summer.
Dang, because it's so hot where we live.
It's so hot. I wish this weather was out there still.
Yeah. It's really nice and fresh here, and it's going to be like that all week.
Okay, I be feeling bad for the animals. That's
Yeah.
They like, we gotta move out here.
I know.
I'm cold, guys. I'm fucking cold.
It's cold. We got here a little early. We got here at 6:05. We were supposed to get here at 6:30. So it's 6:05 right now.
It's 63.
Yeah, it's 63.
Let me see where's it at my house.
It's 80 and it's 63 here. That's crazy.
And the lowest is gonna be 65 when we stay, but it's already 63 here.
That's crazy. It's gonna be a cold night. So we're here. Let me show y'all around. This is where we're sitting. This is our stuff. This is my wife. This is me.
You want to see my chips? These chips are so good. I'll put y'all on. You want for the camera?
They're all broken.
You ASMR moment.
That was actually pretty good. That was a good ASMR moment. But our ride's gonna be here in like 7 minutes now.
Probably 5 though.
Probably 5. So we'll see you guys maybe at the restaurant. Maybe not. It depends. I don't think they know we're filming, so we're kind of shy. I'm kind of shy.
Well,
it's different when it's around family. When it's around strangers, it's okay. Yeah, but family, it's kind of like
awkward.
Yeah, but we'll see you guys in a little bit. Keep you updated on everything. It's cool as hell. Got you.
Studio successful. See which one you get. The Pier 39 would be cool because it has a seal.
Yeah.
Come on. Yeah.
I didn't even tell.
It's this one.
Oh, this one. Oh, that's right. Fisherman's Wharf. They kind of stink. I'm just kidding.
No, that's what I was saying, but I was like, well, I shouldn't say that. They are funny. There you go. Alright. How you feel? $5, I'll jump in and kick it with him.
Oh, you look nice. You look beautiful.
What do you want?
Money? Just kidding. So I'm gonna say red.
Oh,
It would.
black.
Oh.
Red.
Oh, I thought that was black. I couldn't see.
In. Spade.
Oh,
Damn.
Sorry, babe.
Alright, red. Higher.
That was lower.
Oh,
Damn.
damn.
I know, I froze and I was like, oh.
Damn.
Black. Lower. In.
Let's see this one.
Diamonds.
This is it.
Diamonds.
Ah.
Alright, guys. It has come to an end.
It went by so quick.
It went by fast as hell. Right now we are at the station they picked us up from on top of a...
The Salesforce.
The what?
The Salesforce.
Oh, the Salesforce transit station or something like that?
Yeah.
Yeah. But right now we're at... Oh, go ahead.
No, you're good.
Oh, we're on like a rooftop public park thing. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's pretty big. I didn't think it was gonna be this
I know,
big.
me neither.
I didn't even know it was a park up here.
I know, it's like it has a playground and everything. It's pretty cool. We're gonna probably do a little walk around, show you guys around. It's kind of crazy, like it's in the middle of all of these buildings and stuff. Like it's I don't know, it's just so different.
It's hella crazy.
Yeah, it's not, but
it's pretty cool. I don't know. It's crazy how this shit's on the roof.
Yeah, for real. How did they do this?
Yeah.
And then, oh my god, we have a long day of being on the train. Like literally, we're on here. We're gonna be on
8 to 8.
Yeah, 9 to 8 now.
Oh, 9 to 8.
Yeah, it's delayed, but right now
we're starting at 8, no?
Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah. So long day of traveling, but it's worth it. And then we get to see the train we're going on is the Coastliner, I believe, and it's gonna be a lot more interesting than the other one. So I'm excited. A lot more food, which I'm excited about. A dining cart and stuff. So it's gonna be real exciting.
It's gonna be cool.
Yeah.
I'll show you guys around.
Yep. Right now we're gonna walk around the park though and show you guys. We are saying goodbye to San Francisco.
We'll be back.
So we are at the Emeryville Amtrak station where we will be trying a matcha.
Yeah, we're trying a matcha. We got it at the cafe here.
Yeah, it seems like they have a lot of stuff. They have food and stuff too, but we're waiting until we get on the train before we actually eat and stuff. It's still early as hell too, and we have about
Time check.
It's 7:35, and the train will be getting here at 9 a.m. So
That's crazy.
Yep, and then from there we are on the train for just like 12 hours, but it'll be fun. Let's try the matcha.
I got a matcha with oat milk. Hold on. That's pretty good. I need a little sweeter.
Yeah, they have sugar and stuff right there.
Yeah.
We could add it to it.
I'm surprised. Matcha's matcha.
Yeah. I can't be greedy during the shortage.
Oh, there's a matcha shortage. I forgot.
Yeah.
I stay getting matcha. That's my shit.
You want to talk about the best parts of the trip and the worst parts?
I feel like there wasn't any worst parts. Though.
No, I wish we could have done more, but it's our fault for not booking enough time.
Yeah.
We should have stayed like at least a week or something to so we were able to do more stuff.
Yeah.
But honestly, I had lots of fun. We had a lot of fun with our family.
A lot of game nights.
Yeah, a lot of game nights. They're competitive as hell.
Hello.
It was cool though. We got to play volleyball on the beach. That was pretty cool. We did our thing.
We got to see the skyline, right?
The San Francisco skyline from the beach.
It was nice.
Yeah, we rode the Bay Bridge like so many times. It was pretty cool.
Yeah.
The Bay Bridge is actually really cool.
It's hella cool.
Honestly, I think it's way cooler than the Golden Gate. The Golden Gate's history, but the Bay Bridge is really cool. I got to see Alcatraz, got to see some seals.
Yeah.
Went to Pier 39, that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Got to see all kinds of stuff.
It was cool, it was fun, it was chill.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, cool. And now we got our whole journey on the train coming up.
Yeah.
Right now we're on a layover in Oakland. We literally just got on. So we went from Emeryville to Oakland. So we got breakfast, a ham and cheese roll, got some puffs, and a ginger ale. Oh, I was showing the wrong side.
And then I got a turkey cheddar sub, and some Doritos, and then ginger ale too. With some mayonnaise.
I was hoping we could get like
a good beat.
But it's alright, we'll be back anyways.
Also, I didn't know like the prices were already. I thought it depended what you ordered for like lunch and dinner.
Me too.
Yeah.
Really good.
It looks good.
We can try it.
Oh, you got the ham and cheese one?
Yeah.
I was thinking like, yeah, I should got that one too.
You can come back, or you can get it again. I mean, get it right now. Sorry, I don't know why I moved that. It's pretty good, huh?
He's outside right now because of the smoke stop, but once he gets on, I'll call him. Okay? All right.
Okay.
Yeah. Hello? I'm kind of scared. We're in a tunnel. Dark. Let me see what it's gonna look like. Actually, it's gonna be 8. So when we get there, it might not be that dark. Oh, that's true. Yeah. Or it'll probably barely be getting dark. This tunnel's so long. It's good. A little. Okay. Yeah, we're like right next to the wall. Let's see how long it is. there's no light at the end of this tunnel. Okay, I don't think we're that close to the wall. I thought we were. Even if we weren't, how the fuck do we get out? I said even if we weren't like that close to the wall, how the fuck would we get out?
That's true.
That'd be crazy. Oh, here we are. Alright. Oh wow. It looks pretty.
Yeah, it does. You seen all that?
I think it looks really nice.
Yeah.
Oh hell no. I'm gonna go get something to eat. Alright, so
Back at it again.
yeah, we're back at the cafe. My hair looks crazy because we keep taking naps.
You can't tell you a time check because our charger broke, and
We just know that we're either an hour and 15 minutes away from San Luis Obispo, or we're gonna spend an hour and 15. One or the other, we're not sure. We're debating still.
I should ask you.
This is the view from the back,
What we
and
got
this
to
is
eat?
what we got. I got the 100% Angus beef cheeseburger.
I got a grilled cheese on Texas toast.
We got a freaking coffee cake. Yeah.
Rice Krispie treat.
Sorry.
No, you good.
Mac and cheese
I got some OJ.
and a ginger ale. And we're gonna eat good right now. Trust me. And while we do, you guys are gonna check out the views.
drive home.
I'm
Hopefully
so
it goes by so
tired.
fast. At least I have to pick up something to eat.
Yeah. Well, we can pick up something to eat
After?
when we get home.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
But I am so tired.
I feel bad for Jenna. Sorry.
Why?
Because you weren't.
I missed my dinner.
Yeah. And then towards the end, you were just like, I want to go home.
But it's okay. Yeah, we're having fun though.
We've just been chilling.
Yeah. we will see you guys at the station.